Welcome to the magical world of science. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of filtering. We'll learn how to separate a mixture of a solid and a liquid. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about filtering. What exactly is it?
Great question. Imagine you have a glass of dirty water. What do you think you could do to make it clean?
Maybe I could scoop out the dirt with a spoon.
That's a creative idea, but sometimes the dirt is too tiny to scoop out. That's where filtering comes in. We use something called a filter to help separate the dirt from the water.
How does a filter work?
A filter has tiny holes that let water pass through but stop the dirt. It's like a sieve, but with much smaller holes. Scientists often use filter paper because it's strong and has very tiny holes.
Can we make a filter ourselves?
Absolutely. Let's think like scientists. You can make a simple filter using a paper towel and a plastic cup. What do you predict will happen when you pour a mixture of sand and water through it?
I think the water will go through, and the sand will stay on the paper towel.
That's a great prediction. You can try it out and see if you're right. What other mixtures do you think you could separate this way?
Maybe sugar and water? But sugar dissolves, right?
Exactly. Sugar dissolves, so it wouldn't work with a filter. But you could try it with other things like small pebbles or rice.
What about making a bigger filter?
We can make a layered filter using sand, gravel, and stones. Each layer helps catch different sized pieces of dirt. What do you think will happen if you use this layered filter with dirty water?
I think the water will be cleaner when it comes out.
That's the idea. You can draw a diagram of your filter and predict how clean the water will be. Then, test it out and see if your prediction was correct.
What if my filter doesn't work well?
That's okay. Scientists often make changes to improve their experiments. You can try using different materials or more layers to see if it works better.
This sounds like fun. I can't wait to try it.
Before we wrap up, can you summarize what you learned today?
I learned that filters can separate solids from liquids, and we can make simple or layered filters to clean dirty water.
Fantastic! Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.